G'day everybody. I'm not sure if anyone's in the challenge at the moment, but we've changed the structure for this. It was a bit hard to organise how to connect with everyone, so we've put the videos out to watch earlier in the morning, and then at midday I'll do my best to be online to respond to any questions or sharings or comments that we've got. And I just logging in to our Facebook group and see, let me know if you're there. I'm watching myself live now on that, which is a little weird, but oops, went straight in. So I'm sitting in my office right now. I'll probably delete this video after we've finished. Yeah, it's been a bit of a learning this year. All the videos are there, they're worth watching, as you hopefully no doubt are aware that it's a great program to set yourself up for 2026. So just scrolling down. Interesting, the days in the challenge line up with the date for January. So today being the 14th of January, lines up to the 14th day of the challenge, which makes things rather simple if you haven't noticed that. Yeah, so today's teaching and practice is a holistic approach to manifestation. That's mind, body, emotion, and heart. And this is add-in, and so is a lot of things in the challenge, like on our 2026 by Design workshop day, which is on this Sunday, the 18th. We just don't have enough time to get through everything that we've been exploring in this challenge, and so this is an adjunct to the design day and also a lead up to it as well. So if you haven't registered for the design day, it's time. It would be lovely to have you come and join us for the day online. Guaranteed that is really going to help you to connect deeply in your heart and get clear and congruent and aligned and find some inspiring, uplifting, meaningful projects that you want to work on this year. So make sure you do that. There's a link in the thread here on this page to register. There's an early bird rate which is available till Friday. So it's $97 if you register before 5 p.m. on Friday. So that's me. I understand that we're just setting this up next year. We'll get it right from the start. But anyway, I hope you've got value from this challenge and that you've been remembering to check in and stay up to date with it. And obviously you can flick through the thread and find the days that really interest you the most and listen to those. So with that, it seems like nobody is here right now, and I take responsibility for that. We'll put it in the email for tomorrow to remind everybody to come in at midday. So lots of love. Have a great day, and here's to a brilliant 2026.